Finally, I've got something to unbox today. Hey guys, this is Salim and this is the unboxing and hands-on of the Mi In-Ear Pro HD earphones. So let's get started. So these are the earphones itself. So before opening the package, let's look at the box itself. So Mi branding here, specifications we'll get to it later. Mi branding here also, nothing on the bottom, nothing, some numbers on the top, and it's written silver color made in China. So yeah, I got this from gearbest.com and it's available for 14.99 Indian rupees, and in India it's basically out of stock, or it costs around 17.99 on offers or 2,000 rupees. So if you can wait for like 7 days to get a product, you can go with Gearbest, or you can spend extra bucks to get it within 2 to 3 days. I got this package within, I guess, 7 days. That's the fastest I've got a package from Gearbest. So yeah, the front. So these are the earphones, as you can see. So yeah, it's high-res audio. So it's certified by Japan Audio Society, that the earphones can produce frequencies up to 40 kilohertz. So humans can't hear 40 kilohertz. So yeah, something to note down. So it can produce sounds that dogs cannot hear. So okay, let's look at the specifications now. So this is Chinese. This is also Chinese, I guess, Mandarin and simplified Chinese. So in English, its type is in-ear, weight is 17 gram, cable length is 1.25 meter, so pretty long cable. Jack type is 3.5 mm, so rated power is 5 milliwatt, so that's decent. The speaker impedance is 32 ohms. The sensitivity is 98 decibels, so compared to other earphones that I've tested, that's quite low, because I've tested like 105 dB. The minimum was, I guess, 105. So this is a bit low than that. We'll see in the review. The frequency range is 20 to 40 kilohertz. As you can see, it was high-res audio, so that's why it's 20 to 40 kilohertz. Let's just open it. So it opens like this. So we have the earphones itself. Let's take them out. Keep them to the side. So we have a booklet here. Oh, it's in English also. So yeah. So one thing to note, these are hybrid type earphones. So they have 2 dynamic drivers and 1 armature driver. And they have inline control. So you can play, pause music, answer and calls, skip to the next track, go back to the previous track, and a volume up button to turn up the volume, and volume down button to, So these were the earphones. So we have another box. Let's just open it. See what's in. Okay, the packaging is pretty good, I must say. That's hard cardboard. Okay, let's just open it up. Okay, we have a pouch in here. Oh, that's cool. So we got a pouch also. So it's microfiber cloth, and I don't think if you can see, I guess, yeah, it's one more design. So yeah, that's pretty good. So it's a microfiber cloth, so to keep your earphones protected. So you can just put your earphones like this, or you can just take them out, which I'm just gonna do now. Okay, now let's open it. So inside we have few more ear tips. Extra small, small, and large. I guess the medium ones are already attached on this one. So based on your ears, you can change that. So okay, keeping that to the side, let's move everything aside. These are the earphones. The feel is quite nice here. Okay, let's see how we can open it. Okay, we have the jack here. So it's a gold plated one, straight plug. Okay, the cable is rubber. This is the control that I was telling you about. So that's okay, let it focus. Yeah, that's play, pause music, volume up, volume down. You can also take in calls and skip to the next track, go back to the previous track. That's pretty good. Keeping that to the side, let's look at the earphones itself. These feel like metal. Aluminium, sorry. These are aluminium ones, not metal ones. Aluminium. And yeah, aluminium is kind of metal. So That's why I thought this was plastic, but these are metal, aluminium ones, sorry. So these are the earphones. So a 45-degree angle for the ear tips. Left and right is engraved on the back of the earbuds. See, left and right. Okay, and HT audio is written here. There's a microphone insert here, so better bass. The whole cable is rubber. The aluminium inline controls and the jack 3.5 mm. If you don't have it on your phone, get a phone with 3.5 mm jack. So yeah, this was my unboxing. And yeah, one more thing I forgot. If you want to carry it, just roll them up like this, or if you want to do it some other way, this is the case pouch we got. Put it in that and you are good to go. This was the unboxing and hands-on of the Mi In-Ear Pro HD earphones. Link to buy these will be in the description below. So if you guys like the video, go down there, hit the like button, and since you're down there, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that whenever I post a review of these ones, you will be the first to know. Till then, this is Salim and I'm signing out.